Hello there, girls. Since Valentine's Day is coming, I would like to say a happy Valentine's Day too to the girls that are alone on this day. To the girls that have been rejected. For the girls that don't believe in love. In conclusion, I would like to say a happy Valentine's Day to all the girls around the world. It's your day, ladies, but not all of you may be happy. So I'm trying to cheer you up. If I did good, well, you know what to do. If I did bad, you also know what to do. So, what can I say? Happy Valentine's Day. And this is what I said. Go girls. To the girls that are alone on this day. Damn, the ducks are speaking. Bye bye ducks. In conclusion, I would like to say a happy Valentine's Day to all the girls around the world. This day is your day.